F1. Right, so I'm going to show you some basic stuff about the OBS Studio free software. If you want to download it, just real quick, search it up. That's just from a web development tutorial I was doing, so search it up, right? OBS Studio, go through the downloader, get it for Windows if you're on Windows, Mac if you're on Mac, all that stuff. Click, yep, download installer, yep. Now you have it open, right? Then let me just show you how you configure it to go on live stream. So you click on settings and you want to get your stream key. Now this is key, this is key, get it? Anyway, so I'm streaming at the moment, that's why this is all dark, but if you weren't streaming, you'd copy this, or you wouldn't have it yet. So you'd go to your live stream, on your live stream section, and you'd go to the settings of your stream. Since I'm currently streaming, it won't show up, but you'll see a key here for your stream key. You copy that and you paste it in here, and then you click apply and then OK, and that'll do that for you. So that's a live stream. Now how you add different features to your thing is, if you wanted to add in audio, you go audio input, browser. You want to add in different information. I'll add an image for the moment, right? So I'll just go from my computer, just add a random image. These are different visual things you can add in, or even music or media source in the background. So I'll just go into visuals. Actually, Minecraft builds, right? I'll just have this up in the corner. So just add that. As you can see, we just move that around. This software is awesome. I love it. And you can press delete on your keyboard and yeah, just remove that. So, and you can have different scenes, right? Bottom left, change black to white by clicking. And one of the main things is add display capture. So you want to capture the display on your screen, which is what I'm currently using to give you this tutorial. So just capture your whole screen and you can move it in and out, make it bigger or make it fit. And you click, here's the right thing, if you can see where my mouse is, I'm highlighting, you can start recording, stop recording, studio mode controls, yeah. And finally, when you're making videos, what I recommend is doing 1280 by 720 and 30 FPS. If you're, now this is if you're running other programs in the background and just things, and your PC isn't like that powerful, like mine's a bit slower, but if you had a powerful PC, like you could run 920 by 1080, no bother, then I recommend just doing that higher quality with 60 FPS. So that's what I'm doing at the moment, and yeah, the service is YouTube. If you were streaming to YouTube, or you can set it to Twitch, get your stream key, and that's how you set it up. So I hope you found this useful. Good luck with your streams or your YouTube videos, your tutorials, whatever you want to do. I hope you found this useful. Be sure to subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.